To improve the sound quality on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you can just simply open the settings on your phone. Then we can proceed to sounds and vibration, and then scroll down over here and go to sound quality and effects. First, you can of course enable Dolby Atmos. It is supposed to improve the sound quality, but you can also tap on the Dolby Atmos option itself, and while listening to pretty much anything to have something as a reference, you can use these different profiles to decide which one you like the most. Of course, we also have the automatic option, which allows Dolby Atmos to pick the most suitable profile or setting based on what you are doing right now with your phone. Besides that, we can also go to equalizer, which can also improve the sound quality. However, this one is actually up to personal preference, I guess. And of course, you can manually adjust the equalizer by just moving up and down on these frequencies to adjust their loudness. However, of course, you need to understand how the EQ works in general. If you have no idea whatsoever, then you can just use these presets, and I'm pretty sure one of them is going to be the one that you will like the most. And of course, once again, you want to check out these different presets while listening to something so you can hear the difference, and then you can just pick whatever is your favorite one. Now, besides that, we have the loudness normalization, which can also be a quite useful feature because it prevents sounds from suddenly becoming too loud, or when something is too quiet, then this option turns up the volume a little bit. I mean, it doesn't actually change the volume, but it adjusts the volume of the media. And there is also the adapt sound option, which is very useful for those who just need to use it. So, for example, if you turn it on, then you can boost high frequencies by choosing under 30 years old. You can choose 30 to 60 years old to boost high and mid frequencies. And then you can use over 60 years old to boost all frequencies. And you can also create your own personalized sound profiles if you want to, feel free to do so. And you can choose to set it up for media and calls, or just for one of these things. And still we have settings, so you can see the example. We can take a look at the preview. We can choose the preferred ear for calls, and so on and so forth. So of course, if you need to actually use the adapt sound option, you can of course do so, and you can check out these settings for each of these profiles to find out which one you like the most or which one you need the most. And that is pretty much it. If you actually use headphones, then you should be able to use the UHQ upscaler as well. So of course you can feel free to try it out. It should slightly improve the quality of audio as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.